So here's a quick review on some comma rules we have learned before we take the Edulastic quiz. We're going to continue learning more comma rules throughout the year. The first rule we learned was that you use commas in dates, locations, and addresses. A quick example of this would be writing Lafayette, Indiana. See if I can get my notes in. By writing Lafayette. And a comma between the city and the state. Now, if that isn't a full address, you still would just have a comma between the city and the state. The second rule is using commas to mark direct speech. So one way, and this is one that we haven't practiced all the way yet, but is by putting a comma to who the question is directed at. So Alex, will you open the can? Another way to mark speech or who is speaking using quotation marks. In a text, you would put a comma right before the quotation marks. So if we said, Alan said, comma, I want to go to the park. You put the comma before the quotations. We also use commas in compound sentences when we have a conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, or so. And finally, we use the comma between conjunctions. So, coordinating adjectives. We use commas between coordinating adjectives. So an example might be the happy yellow sun. The happy yellow sun. Remember, we can decide if they are coordinating adjectives by using and in there and seeing if it works. The happy and yellow sun, yep, that works. Or flip-flopping them. The yellow happy sun, yes, that also works. Once you are finished with this, we are going to take our Edulastic, or once you have watched this part, you are going to take your Edulastic quiz. On Edulastic, you are going to go to 1C, W6, 2B commas. And you will find that inside your writing tab. I'm going to click on writing. It'll be in your writing tab. Once you finish that, you are complete with grammar for today.